Period.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today it's kind of like a random video. Honestly, I don't even know where this is gonna go, but I just thought I would film my night and how it's going, and I'm just like bored right now, so I wanted to entertain myself. So yeah. So as you can tell by 5 seconds ago, replay the clip. I'm sick. I've literally been sick for like I think like a week and a half almost, and I don't fucking know what I have. Like I just keep coughing, and I like take medicine, and I like still like fucking like keep coughing, so I just like don't even know what's wrong with me. But yeah, I'm like laying in my bed, I'm watching Emma Chamberlain's new video that she just like put out or whatever, and yeah, I'm like trying to fall asleep, but I also like don't really care because there's no school tomorrow, so that's like so cute. But yeah, I decorated my room, so I wanted to like show you guys. Look, if you guys saw my last video, that was like my junior trip like vlog or whatever, link for that in the description. Go watch it. What are you doing? Go watch it if you haven't watched it. I brought like my film camera with me, like just like one of those disposables you buy like at Walgreens or whatever. So then I took pictures, and they finally like came back today, so I wanted to like show you guys because like they came out like super duper cute, you know, like super duper. I'm tired of getting copyrighted, so let me just talk. Me and my friend, my friends, me and my friend, me eating ice cream, me and my friend at Disney, me and my friend on the bus, me and my friends eating, my friends walking, me and my friend at the diner, me and my friends on the ride, my friend, me at a stadium. That's it. Guys, like I'm literally obsessed. Like, oh my god, I don't even know. I honestly don't even know like what inspired me to like bring those like disposable cameras, but like I love it. Like I love how this pictures, first of all, it's cute. Second of all, it's like I love it, you know, like I love it because it's like I took it in the moment and I didn't even know how it was gonna turn out, but like it turned out cute anyway. And like here I am like a week later like reminiscing, and like I don't know, it was just cute, you know. I just love it. They all came out like super like vintagey looking, and like it was super nice, and like yeah. Fuck. Also, if you guys haven't noticed Mount Rushmore right here, yeah, she's been on my face for a couple days now. Honestly, I don't even know how she came out because I've been like taking care of my skin, like cleaning it, moisturizer, like all that jazz, you know. So I really just don't know where she came from, but yeah, she needs to go away fast. So I've been like doing that. Oh, fuck. I went to Marshall's today. If you guys don't know, Marshall's is my baby girl. I love her so much. And I got this like moisturizer SPF there. And guys, I want to tell y'all real quick, if you want good like skincare like from Sephora, you don't have to pay Sephora prices. Not to make this sound like a Marshall's ad, but guys, I have so much stuff from there that's like cheaper than it actually is. So also, actually, let me not spill the beans. If you guys want a whole video dedicated to affordable skincare, I'll make that. Just comment it down below. So sorry about it, but I'm not gonna spill it right now, so sorry. Okay, I don't know if this was just me, but guys, that snapping noise that you just heard, replay the clip right now, like that scared me. I was like, but you know, I was like, you know, like what is that? Because I know I didn't snap my fingers, or like, I mean, I guess I could have, but like, WTF, guys, right? Yeah. Yeah, so. But yeah. I don't know where this night will take me. I'll probably just fall asleep in a couple minutes, but yeah. Oh, guys, I started a depop, so if you want to follow my depop, I should probably start linking it down in the description, but I sell my old clothes on there. So, if you think that the way I dress is like maybe above a 5 out of 10, then you might want to check out my Depop because you might want to elevate your style. Elevate, like, whoa, a ton. Update, I just did like my skincare, so that's what I just did. Yes. So I literally didn't even notice, and it's actually like already 1 in the morning. And like, that's so crazy to me because the last 2 days I've been falling asleep really early, like 9:30 or something, and then the next day I wake up super early, like 6 or like 8 or something. So like I'm really happy that I'm falling asleep later. So now I'll actually wake up at like a regular fucking time on a day that I literally like don't fucking have school. So I'm just like happy about that.
I am the bitches, I am the one, I am the moon and I am the sun.